All right, guys, so we're here over at Omix, and I just wanted to talk about a commonly asked question that we have at Kaiser Willys. This is the windshield wiper motor, the electric one. This is a CJ5 frame, or CJ5 windshield frame on a CJ5. This right here, this is your basically what your windshield is going to rest on the hood when it is laying down in its position. These wiper motors, they have a long shaft here, so you can do one of two things. If you're missing this and you set it to where this wiper motor is flush, what will happen is this nose right here will extend beyond, and when you lay this down, it's gonna hit the hood. So you either have to trim this shaft, which you could take like a little pipe cutter or whatever, trim the shaft and then use it that way, or you can use a spacer to space this guy away from the windshield frame. In this particular situation, the spacer is a stack of washers. That's how you install this on a CJ5. Trim the shaft or come up with a spacer. In this particular case, it's a DIY with a whole bunch of washers. Hope that helps, guys. Thanks for watching today.